In addition to developing a growth mindset and taking bold action, setting clear and specific goals is crucial for transforming your life. Without a clear vision, you can easily become distracted, overwhelmed, and lost. Take the time to define your goals, both short-term and long-term. Write them down, make them measurable, and break them into actionable steps. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Once you've defined your goals, create a strategy for achieving them. Then, hold yourself accountable, review your progress regularly, and make adjustments as needed. Having a clear roadmap for your success will keep you focused, motivated, and on track. As you work toward your goals, it's essential to surround yourself with people who support and uplift you. The people you spend the most time with will have a profound impact on your life. Choose to spend your time with individuals who inspire you, challenge you, and help you grow. Remove toxic people from your life who drain your energy, make you feel small, or limit your potential. Building a network of positive, supportive individuals will help you stay motivated, encourage you through tough times, and hold you accountable to your dreams. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. To change your life, you must also take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. Transformation requires energy, and you can't give your best if you're operating at less than your full potential. Prioritize your health, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and nourish your body with healthy food. Practice mindfulness and meditation to calm your mind and reduce stress. Take breaks when needed, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Emotional and mental health are just as important as physical health, and taking care of them will ensure that you have the strength and clarity needed to pursue your goals. In 2025, make this the year you stop making excuses and start taking action. No more waiting for the perfect moment, the right opportunity, or the ideal circumstances. The best time to take action is now. Whether it's a big decision or a small task, taking that first step is the most important thing you can do. Once you start moving, momentum will build and everything else will fall into place. Action is the antidote to fear and doubt. This year, don't just aim to achieve your goals, aim to become the best version of yourself. The journey of self-improvement is never-ending. Each day ask yourself, how can I grow today? How can I improve? The person you are today is not the person you will be tomorrow if you commit to constant growth. Change in 2025 doesn't just mean achieving external success. It means evolving from the inside out. It means becoming a person who is stronger, wiser, more compassionate, and more resilient than you were yesterday. Finally, 2025 is your year to embrace abundance. Let go of the mindset of scarcity and believe that there is more than enough success, love, opportunity, and happiness to go around. Abundance is not something that happens to you. It's something you create. Choose to see the world as full of opportunities and open yourself to receiving all the good things that life has to offer. When you believe in abundance, you attract it into your life. The journey of change is long and challenging, but it is also deeply rewarding. In 2025, take the first step toward creating the life you've always dreamed of. Take action, believe in yourself, and stay committed to your growth. The best version of you is waiting to emerge, and this year you have everything you need to make that happen. You have the power to change your life, And it all begins now. Don't wait any longer. This is your time. Embrace the journey.